Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm there if you're new and if you're returning. Hey boo.
Yeah, if this is what you want, can you make a promise? Yeah, so in love, I can see it in your eyes. How you shove it up, about me to your guys.
Y'all, we outside. It's been a minute.
Yeah, we outside, y'all.
You don't got it? Anywho, y'all, I'm bringing my kids down to the live Hot Wheels today. So, of course, we're going to bring you guys with us. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tune in. I don't know what kind of content we got coming, but But best believe, baby, it's going to be some good stuff coming.
No. Yes, it's coming. Watch me touch this. Talk about another video.
We already. Y'all, we came through.
You want one of us?
Yeah. My purse was too big, so Tizo had to go take it back to the car. But we currently waiting. Y'all just ran into my uncle and his wife. But he had to take that back to the car. I'm currently waiting. I gotta use the restroom. I got the girls with me. I hate that this. Say what's up. Cam. Say what's up. Lord. Let me hurry up, y'all. I'll call y'all when we get back in there and sit down. Alright, y'all. So we finally made it in. I used the restroom. I'm waiting for the boys to come out the bathroom. Y'all, I hate concerts, events, and shit when people act like we ain't got somewhere to be by a certain time. But nevertheless, we're here. Let me show y'all what they look like.
Hello. Make sure did y'all like to my mama? Did y'all subscribe to my mama? Yeah. Where's Kimura?
She with her father. Alright, y'all, wait, no. Alright, we better go to our seats now. Alright, right here. Hello. Roti.
You're going for donuts for the Hot Wheels fans, give it up one more time for Taylor Holman in Skelesaurus.
So you can upload to see your faces, your photos and videos up on our big screen all night long. And we have official souvenir merchandise, right, Zach?
That's right. We've got the 50th birthday Bigfoot toys that you can get right here, right now. And you know, Marty, we've got 7 monster trucks, and I got such a hard time deciding what my favorite would be. I mean, they're all such good choices. Can you help me with that?
Oh my goodness, you know what? All 7 Hot Wheels monster trucks are on one toy. It's called the Collision Crusher, and this toy is super exclusive. That means you can only get this toy to our tour. Look, it's up on the big screen right now. It's 7 monster trucks.
I gotta learn how to work it, so maybe I need to do that. Oh, we're gonna try to take pictures with him. What time is it? Start soon.
Is this something?
I don't know. is she singing for?
She ugly. You're not no baby no more, boy.
Those fans, we're going to ask you to remain standing because together we are going to count down these trucks from a count of 10 to a driver's start your engines. We are going to start from 10, 9,
Yeah.
8,
7, 6, 5, 4.
drivers start your
I know.
Baltimore! Are you ready?
You ready, Nikki?
This is Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live Glow and Fire!
You sound like a bird. You smell like fun.
Reptilian creature. So tough, he avoids
It is loud in here. Now I see why they got that.
It's time to smash and roar! Please welcome Great Travel Driving Mega Rex!
Which one gonna win?
He's the ruthless Joker. It's strength of menace. With intimidation at every turn. Just catchphrase.
Hot Wheels fans, Tiger Shark taking a bite out of those crush cars. We've got the score for Tiger Shark, and it's a 23. Your winner is Tiger Shark.
Get ready to see a fireball start. It's Cody Holman, Hot Wheels 5 Alarm.
Hot Wheels fans, we just saw the fire truck hero. Hot Wheels 5 Alarm started up perfectly. He landed on those crush cars. He walked it across all 5 of our crush cars. And the score for Hot Wheels 5 Alarm is a 25. Your leader, Hot Wheels 5 Alarm.
Dang, he took it to 25 when he
It's
got
the
25.
dinosaur fossil, Taylor Holman Stegosaurus.
Fossil Fury, Stegosaurus. Come on, take us to the chorus. Was that incredible? The Ruthless Joker gumming the competition. We saw it get vertical. We saw it come off the ground. We saw it on 2 wheels across those cars. The score for Gunkster is a 25, which means we've got a tie between Gunkster and Hot Wheels 5 Alarm.
Hot Wheels fans, let's see your dino claws and get ready to see a dino fight. It's Frank Dremel, Mega Rex.
Oh, he better do his big one. Hell no. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. They tearing that cars up. Mushed up dogs. We like the fire show. It's fire. I'll take that
So y'all, now we are taking a break. This is what it looks like right now. That's what it looking like right now. Look, it's looking like this. Yeah. This what it looking like. Oh my God, mommy! So y'all, they better be jumping off a bouncy house. They better be jumping off a bouncy house.
It's ready.